Ever felt pressured when learning about gold IRAs? Knowing how to spot honest education can save you from high pressure sales. Many investors feel skeptical of companies that push products aggressively rather than providing clear, honest information. In the Why Choose Augusta guide, you will see examples where customers appreciate representatives who respect their decision making and provide knowledgeable guidance without pressure. These examples show how to evaluate any gold IRA provider for ethical educational practices. When spotting high quality education, notice if staff give clear explanations without rushing, your questions are answered fully and patiently, and the company encourages informed decisions rather than just sales. This guide is just one of 8 in the free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle, which also includes the company integrity checklist, digital dollar report, and gold and silver IRA. I'll link this one in the description so you can see how to identify providers that prioritize genuine education over pressure. By recognizing ethical sales practices, you will be able to make smart, informed investment decisions with confidence. Download the full Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle for free. It's beginner friendly, so easy to follow, and it helps you move forward confidently by showing you how to spot providers who offer genuine education without pressure. You can find the link in the description.